Hello, guys, and welcome to Ego IFX, your number one online channel for your Forex education, and also your number one place to get signals, Forex signals with high win rate. We are so excited, guys, to come again to you, and we want also to thank you for your love through subscription and through liking our videos and through commenting. We also want to ask you again to show us some love by clicking that like button and hitting on that subscribe button. So we are back again today, and we are going to go through three pairs as usual. We'll go through Usdcad, Usdchf, and also go through Usdjpy. So let me start with Usdcad. And guys, I want to remind you that also we have a Telegram channel, a group for those who want to join. You can join there. It's free, and you can join also to monitor our trades and how we do them and our profits and things like that. And then you can verify for yourself. All right, we are so happy for that. So I'm starting with the Usdcad, and I'm on a monthly time frame. This is just to generally find out the direction, the general direction of the market. All right, just find out where the market is moving and stuff like that. So you can see that from the monthly overview, you can see that Usdcad, this has been like the playground. Now remember, it's good to have a playground so that you know what to do. So you must establish your playground. So this has been the highest recently, and this has been the lowest recently. So you see that Usdcad came to this 470.07 level, was pushed down to this level 2440, came back again to that same level, then came back again to this side, and then you can see that we're expecting perhaps it might push all the way to this level here or this level over there. Right, let's go to the weekly time frame, and from the weekly time frame now I'm interested in what is currently happening here. So you can see that Usdcad has been on a bearish move. Okay, been a strong bearish movement to the down like that. Then what I see is it was obeying this level, and then we see a break of this trend line. Then it's like it's trying now to push to the upside. Okay, so I can mark this place here, the highest it has reached so far. Okay, then we have this as our lowest level. Okay, let me go to the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, we can as well mark some levels. Okay, can mark some level and draw a trend line like that. Okay, so let me remove this. Remember, I told you guys, make sure that your charts are clean so that you're not confused. Okay, yeah, you don't want to get confused as you don't know what you're supposed to do. So let me go back to the monthly, to the weekly, sorry, and try and see if we can draw some zones here. Okay, because I see a level here. Okay, and it's because of this and this. Okay, so let me go back to the daily time frame. Let's see. Okay, so that level is actually where the market is currently at, so no problem. Okay, so based on this, what I can see is that if I draw another trend line here, like that, okay, you can draw it like that. Remember, I told you guys there's no perfect trend line, but what we try to establish is try to look for a place that has at least two or more touches. So you can see that we have this and this here. Then the interesting part is that you can see that Usdcad was obeying or respecting this level, but now we see a break. Okay, I see a break of this trend line. And then I also see a pin bar. I'm on a daily time frame, and I don't know if perhaps Usdcad is trying to find strength in this place before it can push maybe the downwards like that. Okay, so this acts as a break, and then it's trying to find support to the down or a retest to the down. So I'll be interested in sales because I already see a break of this level here. Then I see this pin bar here trying to push this market to move down. Let's move to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, I see a level here that I would like to draw. Okay, I see that level over there, and the reason for me to draw that level there is because you can see that this market was rejected here, some rejection here and here, then you see a break and you see support, a lot of support with some fake outs, and now you see a break. Okay, so there's a high possibility that this market will come all the way to this level here, this zone here, to find strength to start moving towards the down. Okay, so I can mark another zone here, and mark another zone here, and it's simply because I see this here, and I see this rejection here, I see some support, and then I see support from here, then now you see this support here, and there's a movement to the up, even though also here is some sort of level. Okay, yeah, there's some sort of level there, because you see this market found support in this place almost 3 times. Okay, so what I'll do is, personally, I'll wait for it to come here before I can enter my sell, target this as my first take profit, then target this as my second take profit. You can also still hold it up to down here. All right, but that is what I'll be interested on Usdcad. Now let me see what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I see a level here. Let me change that color, black. And also I see some rejection in this level here. Okay, yeah, because you can see that this market broke this zone here, broke the trend line. It has been able to break this level here, this zone here, and then came to find support to the down, came again here, was rejected to the down, and then it's here again. So that's why I said that I will be interested in sales. Okay, I will be interested in sales on this market. on Usdcad, I'll be going for sales. Okay, let me delete this quickly. I'll be going for sales, right? So you see that I'll wait for this. So I'll wait for some confirmation, either some pin bar or some bearish engulfing, something of the sort. Then I can enter my sell, right? Put my stop loss just above the zone a bit, then target this place, and then target this place here. Maybe let me go for 3, 4, almost 4 times. Okay, 4 times like that. Okay, but definitely I will take some profit somewhere around here. Okay, take some profit on this trend line here, because the market can easily come and then turn back, right? So I'll take some profit here. If it is able to break this, then I can take some other profit here, or I can hold to this zone, definitely with break even, all right? Whereby I've adjusted my stop loss to entry. So on Usdcad, I'll wait for this. Okay, this is a power move, so I'm waiting to see some rejection so that I can be able to enter my sell, and then I can target this level there. And as you can see, right, target this level somewhere around here or somewhere around here, and you can see that that's almost 4 times. So if you're risking $100, then you can make 400. If you're risking $50, then if it goes this direction, then you can see that you can make almost $200. And if you are risking $500, then you can see that you can make $2,000 if that's what your risk to reward is. Okay, so that's beautiful on Usdcad. Let's move to our next one, which is Usdchf. So Usdchf, I'll go to the monthly. I like going to the monthly to just find the general direction of the market. Okay, so you can see that Usdchf came all the way to this level here, and then consolidated and then pushed down up to this level over here. Now I'm interested with what is currently happening here, so I can mark this as the highest that it went. Okay, because you see that it came all the way down here to this level here, and it came up to this level and was pushed to the down. Okay, so I'm expecting perhaps it might come this way before it goes that way. Okay, and maybe it goes also to that level there, or it might still go back, form a double top, then before it falls down. Okay, let's go to the weekly and see. So from the weekly time frame, can draw a trend line here, can draw a trend line over there, and it's because you see that this has been a place that this market has been respecting. See, when it came here, it was pushed up, came to the trend line and was pushed up again, then came to a trend line and then it was pushed up again. And also you can see this here. Okay, so it's trying to break that. Okay, so let's continue. Remember guys to like and to subscribe to our channel. We are so grateful. Remember also, when you like this video, then YouTube suggests it to more people, and then by so doing we are able to reach out to more traders and we are able to empower many people. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, what do I see? Okay, I see a level here. I can mark that, no problem. I can mark this level here, and as you can see, this level supported this market here and was broken, then now it's acting as a resistance. Okay, and also, like I said, you can see there's a trend line here. You can see that this market has not been able to break that level over there from the daily time frame. Comes here, so on this trend line there's some selling opportunity. Okay, and also you can see this level here has acted as support for some time now. We'll see the market comes here, pushed up, came again, pushed up, like that. And when you go to the 4-hour time frame, what do you see? Okay, you can see that this market is on this level here. Okay, because you see a break, you see support, and break, support, and this has been a place the market has been consolidating. All right, so you can see that there's a very strong push to the down here, but let me remove this because there's a lot of consolidation. This is more clear. So they see that there's a push here to the down. Okay, so the sellers are trying to push this market down to that level, or maybe to this level here. That's a level also we see recently that it came to here, then so here again. So they are trying to push because I can see a very strong a very long wick trying to push this market down. I don't know if you can draw a trend line somewhere around here, somewhere around there, so that this level acts as a zone. Let me do this. This level acts as a zone. Okay, and this level acts as a zone like that. Okay, you can delete this so that it's more clear. Remember, we're just trying to make it clear. We want to see the market clearly, so that's the reason why you have to use all the tools. Okay, let's reduce this maybe so that it's a bit more clear. Yes, all right, so now it becomes clear to me because you can see that when the market reached this zone here, it was pushed down, came again, pushed down a bit, came again, and fake people, this is a fake out. Fake people, it was breaking, but then we see a very big move to the down. Okay, and then you see the market came again here, it was pushed down, then the market has come to our zone and now it's trying to push down. So I would rather wait for it to come back before I can enter my sales and then target this level here or target this level over there. That is what I'll do on Usdchf. Okay, so let me delete this so that you can be okay, so you can be able to see it clearly. Okay, so sometimes it happens that when you draw a trend line, you're not able to see the market clearly. Okay, sometimes it happens. So what do? You have to use sometimes I draw my trend line as a zone, because a zone it's more clear. a zone is more clear and I can be able to see the market clearly. Okay, all right. Yeah, so there's one remaining here, and there's another one hiding here. It's trying to hide. Okay, fantastic. So let's draw that again. So I'll draw that again like that. Make this into a zone so that we can be able to catch that move well, like that. Okay. So now what I said is I've already seen this market has come to this level here. So I'm expecting it to come back. I'll wait for it to come back before I can enter my sales. That is what I would rather do. Okay, yeah, that's what I'll do. And I'm on a 4-hour time frame. So even though I see a very strong bearish move, if you enter there, then put your stop loss just above that, then you can target maybe this level over there. That's 1.3 risking, so it's almost like a 1:1, but I would rather wait. I prefer to be patient and wait for it to come. I want the market to come to me. I don't want to force the market, and then I would rather move to this level here or this level here, or even perhaps all the way to this level over here. So guys, share with us your thoughts on the comment section. We are always glad and happy to read from you. Let's go to our last pair, which is Usdjpy. All right, and guys, remember, we are not giving you a financial advice, and always use proper and good risk management. That is the only way you are going to survive in this game. So we're not giving you a financial advice, we're just telling you what we think and what we can see based on our personal analysis. All right, so, and we don't say, when we say that this market is going to sell, it does not mean that you should sell immediately. You must wait for confirmation. You must see confirmations. You must see something that confirms to you that it's a sell order. But definitely, if you want to know my actual entries, my actual stop loss, and my actual take profits, then the link is on the description below. You can join our VIP for that. So I'm on Usdjpy, and already on Usdjpy, I can see something here. All right, if I draw Usdjpy like this, already I can see from the monthly time frame, I already see a breakout. Okay, so that's the first thing, because you see rejection here, you see a lot of rejection here. Then here the market, every time the market gets to this level, is pushed down, give me a pull, and then now I see a break. So the market has been able to break this, even though this it has not been able to break this trend line on the monthly time frame, but now I see a breakout. Okay, I already see a breakout on the monthly time frame. So that's the first thing. So you must be able to see that quickly, and then we can draw this. Remember, I told you your trend line can be like a zone, or it can be like a line. It can just be a line or a zone. Doesn't matter. Just use the tools. The tools are there. Use the tools to your advantage. Okay, because I see that also. Because I see every time the market came to this level here, then you see that it was pushed up. Okay, then we see also another level here pushed up, then we see also here, then we see also here, then this one comes with a breakout. Okay, so that's the first thing that I wanted you guys to see on USD JPY. Okay, so let's go further down to the weekly time frame and see if there's anything we can see. Remember, we just passed through this level so that we see if there's anything that we can see on that. Okay, beautiful. And then you can see here that has been the highest, and also we can add another trend line here on the weekly time frame. Can add that trend line over there. So remember now, guys, I'm interested on what is currently happening. Okay, I've already established that there's a breakout. Then there's this thing here looking like like a bullish wedge. All right, so that's the thing I'm talking about. All right, so let's go to the daily time frame. Then you can see that the market has been playing in this level here. So I would like to clone this and then pull it here. Okay, because this is also a level of interest to me, because I see every time the market reaches to that level, then it's pushed down. So that's the reason why I would draw my trend line there. Okay. All right. So I just want to draw it on the weeks. I want to draw it on the weeks so that it's clear for me. Yeah. So you see that you see here push the down, then you see here push to the up, came back to the trend line, push to the down. So I'm expecting this market to push to the up because it has already been it has already come down to this supporting trend line. Right, it came from a resisting trend line and now it's on the supporting trend line. Okay, so let's carry on. Let me just delete this, because remember, always make sure that your charts are clean. It's very important. Yeah, the charts are clean like that. All right, good. So let's go. So I'm actually on a daily time frame, and already I can see something here. Here I can see a level here. Okay. So you see that there's some rejection here. Push the down, came, it was able to break to our trend line. Then you see here rejection, 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 and came almost to our place of rejection. Then it's trying to move, and then I can draw another thing here, because this is what we call trends in trend. Because you see a move inside another move, so you see a trend line inside another trend line. Okay, so let's change the color. Yeah, because you see here, here, and here. So already here I'll be interested in buys. Okay, almost 80 pips, or if you hold to this level 178, and if it goes further to that place, see 222. So you can enter your buy here, put your stop loss just somewhere around there, and target that level. That's almost 3 times. Yeah. That's a 3 times. And the reason why I do that is because I see that this market is obeying, has been respecting this this trend line. Okay, let me make it black so you can see well. Let me go to the 4 hours time frame, and then you can see that I still draw a zone here. Okay, then let's change the color. bit. Let me make it this so I can be able to see. Okay, so what do you notice here? Because I noticed a support here. Okay, then this one was it broke with some faker, but it still came back. Then I see another support here. The breakout, definitely. The market came and found support again in that level, and this one broke into a trend line. Then we see support, 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 and support. And then you can see here, if you look keenly, you can see that the market came all the way to this to test this trend line. You can see this pin bar here. So that's the reason why I say that I'll enter my buy in that particular level over there. Then put my stop loss just below this has been the lowest so far, so put below that just in case it comes back. And then definitely I'll be interested when the market gets around somewhere there. Okay, these are areas of which you can take profits. And remember guys, when you are one time in floating profit, like one time, for example, if you're risking $100, the moment we were $100 in profit, you can adjust your stop loss to break even to secure your trades. If I go back to my daily time frame, you can see that I see the confirmation there. The market is going to push up, and then also on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the market is going to push. So if it's not able to break this level here, then I'll just come out of the market at this level here. But if it's able to break, then I'll be able to hold. Then I'll hold this market all the way to this level here. Okay, and then perhaps up to this level here. But this is a place of interest because you can see that every time the market moves from here, you see there's some rejection here, and stuff like that. And also another thing I just saw, guys, which I'd like to share with you, is this here. I just saw this level here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that on the 4-hour time frame, because I see and when this market pushed here, came down, came again here, pushed down. So that's what I'm saying. That's what I was saying, that from this level around here, and then this level here on this zone here, these are level whereby you can observe the market to see if it's a place where you can exit the market, because the market could easily, the market could easily get here, either to this trend line. The market could easily come to this trend line and reverse. Maybe it's doing this in preparation for a breakout. Yeah, perhaps it's gonna do this because see, this looks like a bearish move. So maybe the market is doing this in preparation for a break to the upside up to this level here. So what you can do is that you can just be moving with it, adjusting your stop loss as you go along until you see a breakout. Keep adjusting until you hit your target of 3 times your reward. So let me know on the comment section below your thoughts. It's always nice to read from you guys, and thank you so much for watching. This is Eagle Eye FX Mentors signing out.